Okay, when we're deploying applications in the enterprise, there's a number of things that we want to externalize in the configuration. This is what is going to make our build portable. And by portable, what we want to get down to is some type of build artifact like a WAR file or a jar file that is going to bring in configuration properties. And this is what is meant by externalized configuration properties. What we don't want to be doing is hard coding in our classes things like IP addresses and the usernames and passwords of service accounts that we need to use. This is a very bad programming habit. If you're working on a single server, yeah, you can get away with this, but in the enterprise, this is not something that we can do. We need to get these things externalized in a safe manner, so when we move it from a QA system that is going to have one set of servers that we need to talk to a production system that will have a different set of servers that we need to talk to, we can easily do that through externalized configuration properties. And in Spring, it's very easy to do this, but it's also very important to do this, because if we leave this stuff hard-coded, we break things and our build artifacts are no longer portable. So we definitely need to do this, and there's a number of different ways that we can do this within Spring, and I'm going to show you how in this section of the course.